Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fit another Starline i96 on this really lovely Audi S1. How the system works is every time you jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, go through a push sequence procedure and start your vehicle. If you don't do that, this is what would happen. So obviously the key's in the ignition, put my foot down on the clutch, try and start it, won't start. There you go. So now every time you jump in, ignition on, go through a push sequence. So here we've done something very simple. 1, 2, 3, receive your melody. There you go, now start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if you want to change the code, this is also straightforward. So the way you would do that is ignition on, go through your disarm, receive your melody, then hit any button on the network 5 times, ignition off, ignition on, get 5 bleeps, go through your push sequence, receive a melody, go through your push sequence again, receive a melody, and disarm the system, and it'll be learned. So I'm going to do that now. So ignition on, disarm, receive your melody. There you go. Now we'll do this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition back on, 5 bleeps. So now I'm going to do something on the steering wheel. So I'm going to do something basic again. Wait for your melody. Again, new code. Receive your melody. Ignition off. So now that code has been learnt. Also, you can pair up an optional Bluetooth tag, and the way you would do that one is ignition on, put your disarm code in, receive your melody, then hit any of the buttons that are on the network like this one here 7 times, ignition off, ignition on, receive 7 chirps. Then with the tag open, basically this is the board. You'd replace the battery, put your finger on the button, put the battery back in, release, it will give you several red flashes, then go green, 2 bleeps, and it'll be learnt. You can also do that with a phone as well if you want to pair up with a phone. We're just going to show you the push sequence for now. So what we've done now is we've changed the code. So ignition on, try the old code. There you go, no melody. So ignition off, ignition back on, new code, receive your melody. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, what I'm going to show you now, I'm actually going to put the battery in the paired tag, and I'm going to show you how to disarm it with a tag, or if you had it paired to your phone as a smartphone app. Okay, so I'm going to put it on pause, put the battery back in the tag, and go through that. So I put the battery back in this tag, battery's back in the tag, green light's on, means it's paired. So now if I just turn on the ignition, you'll hear a melody because the tag is present, it's within the range, and you'll hit disarm, we'll just start it. So ignition on, there you go, disarm, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. I mean, I hope you found this quick video helpful on this Audi S1. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.